strength, heart, and perseverance. Inside the ring, we fight with our fist. Outside, we fight with faith and determination. First, I would like to extend my deepest gratitude to the organizers of the Second Pacquiao Ilorde Awards for their hard work and dedication in making this event possible. To the Ilorde family, thank you for continuing the legacy of the great Gabriel Flas Ilorde, a true pioneer of Philippine boxing. His discipline, humility, and relentless pursuit of excellence set the standard for what it means to be a Filipino fighter. His legacy paved the way for the next generations, proving that with discipline and heart, success is possible. To all of us, let us carry on this legacy. Lagi ko pong sinasabi yan na sa ating lahat, nandito tayo sa mundo to create legacy. That legacy to glorify God and to serve others as faithful stewards of God's grace in its various form. That's our responsibility. We are here in this world for a purpose. Nandito tayo sa mundo hindi para tayo ay magpakasawa, gawin ang lahat, magpakasaya, and then tatanda, mamatay. Hindi ganon. Nandito tayo sa mundo for a purpose. And that purpose, that we can give legacy, we can leave a legacy to our next generation, the future generation. Yan po ang lagi kong sinasabi kung ako ay nagbibigay ng mensahe na tayong lahat ay lilipas lang din dito sa mundo. Alalahanin natin na kahit ano ka pa kasikat na tao sa buong mundo, kahit ikaw pa pinakamayaman sa buong mundo, ikaw pa pinakamaraming lupain sa buong mundo, o ikaw ang pinaka-successful na tao sa buong mundo, pag tayo ay nawala na, lilipas din ang mga panahon na yan at makalimutan tayo ng mga susunod pang henerasyon. Pero, kung ikaw habang nandito sa mundo, nabubuhay at ikaw ay nakatulong sa iyong kapwa at ikaw nakagawa ng isang ligasiya na maging alaala at maging inspirasyon, ma-remember ka kahit ilang daan pang taong lumipas after na mawala ka din sa mundo.